I'm going to get depreciation off of what it cost me to build this house, whatever that cost is. But the maintenance, I can depreciate a new roof off, I can depreciate a new air conditioner off, but the daily, yearly basis, the regular maintenance on it, that's going to just be covered as an expense for the most part.
Okay. I thought that depreciation, the 3.6 that you get back, is essentially for the overall depreciation.
So you can depreciate something out that's called capital expenditures. Typically those are expenditures that are over $2,500. Can you depreciate a floor out if you had to come in and replace all the floor in the house? Yeah, you can depreciate that off.
Okay.
You can do that. For the most part on the maintenance, it just comes off of your expenses.
But you're getting
But even on that right there, rather than trying to depreciate it off, I would just use it as an expense. You know, take it off as an expense.
Tax write-off of the expense.
All at one time. What I'm saying with that as a tax write-off on the expenses, you put $5,000 in this house as an expense for 1 year, it's going to lower your profit. So when it lowers your profit, that you're only paying your taxes on your profit, so you don't pay any taxes on that because of the expenses, right?
Right.
And if I got an LLC that's got 10 houses in it, then I maybe only got one that I got a lot of repair work on. If I throw it all into the repair work for the first year as an expense, it's just an expense.